WordPress related post with Contextual RP Plugin. Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step video so you will be able to follow easily. As of the moment, I'm inside the WordPress website right here, and you can just go ahead and navigate through your dashboard. We then have the categories on the side of our screen, and you specifically want to look for plugins. Now inside plugins, we then have the search button. You can just go ahead and search for the contextual related post. Hit on enter, and you want to find this specific plugin right here, the contextual related post by Weber Zone. The rating is 4.8 stars and the active installation is 70k. So you can just go ahead and click on the install button and you should be good to go. Now this is really easy to manage because you have the automatic plugin right here, but if you want to customize it on your preference, you can just go ahead and do that. If you want to, you can just go ahead and customize the plugin by clicking on the settings right below the plugins section right here. So if this video has been helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.